Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily remove any members from your Google Groups. Let's begin. First, open Groups, then on the left panel, click over here, My Groups, and make sure to select the appropriate group you're going to work on. Then here on the left panel again, click on People, and or also you can just click on Members. Let's say, for example, this is the member I would like to remove or ban. So you can click on this option right over here, click this box icon to select this member. Here, you will notice some options are now available to you. You have remove member, ban member, and also other, uh, well, to change their roles. But these are the only two that you need. So I'm going to remove this member. You can click on this and click on OK to confirm. So wait for a few seconds, and that's it. It shows near one member has been removed. Now you know how to easily remove members within your group. Pretty simple and straightforward. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.